Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start video editing using Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already opened my Filmora application on my PC. And first of all, you're going to create new project on Filmora. So you can select new project right here. But before it, you can choose the aspect ratio. And for the aspect ratio, I'm just going to choose this one. And then I'm going to click on new project. Okay, and then you're going to import videos, audios, or images that you want to edit, guys. And I'm going to click on import, and I'm going to choose one of the videos from my gallery. From my device. Okay, I'm going to choose this video, and click on open. And then if you want to edit this video, we can add the video to the timeline. Okay, and here you can use the editing tools, guys. You will have video, color, and speed. If you want to change the speed of your video, you can go to the speed and you're going to slow down or speed up your video like this. And if you want to make your video play backward, you can choose reverse speed. So your video will be reversed. And you can go to the speed ramping as well. Okay, and I'm going to go back to the video. Okay, on the video menu, you will have basic tools, mask, and also the AI tools. Okay, for the basic tools, you can rotate your video, flip your video, and then blend your video and customize the opacity. And for the mask, you can mask your video, guys, using this mask tool. And this is the AI tool. For example, you can use chroma key feature to remove green screen like this. And you can also use the AI portrait cutout. Okay, you can add cutout to your video. Alright, and then I'm going to show you the editing tools here. Okay, if you want to add something to your video, for example, effect or filter or sticker, just go to this menu. Here you can add audio and then add titles. I'm going to add my title. Okay, I'm going to add the text. Okay, you can type in your text here. Just go to the text menu. Okay, I'm going to add text. For example, I'm going to add my video. Okay, just like this, and then I'm going to place the text here. Okay, like this, and you can change the font if you want. You can change the font here, and I'm going to choose for example this one. Okay, and you can animate the text. Okay, like this, and you can also use text to speech feature. And if you want to add effect, just go to the effect. And I'm going to add this effect. Okay, I'm going to make the effect align with my video. Yeah, just like this, and this is the result. Let me play it, guys. And yeah, that's so cool. And you can add filter here and add sticker. And if you want to export it, just go to the export menu. And then you can choose the resolution right here and choose the format. And you can choose the location, and once you're ready, you can click on export and the video will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to start video editing using Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!